Future Brother. Today we're going to do shrimp scampi, a basic one. This is not a very hard dish to make. Once you figure out how easy this is to make, you're going to beat yourself if you're going to the restaurants to buy this. It's going to be some very simple stuff. We've got some beautiful looking pink Argentinian shrimp. I got it at an Asian market. They're wonderful. I've taken the shells off. I'm going to save these. I'll talk to you about that later. Then we've got some high-fat butter, garlic slices, lemon zest, parsley, shallots, and a little bit of tomatoes, white pepper, and salt. That's about it. Very simple. So you're looking at this lemon zest, little curls here. You're always wondering, how do they get the lemon pop in dishes? It's not from the juice as much as it is the zest. The zest has the oils. You know, you hear about essential oils. This has got the oils in it. That's where you get most of the lemon flavor. This is a zester. I think I bought it on Amazon for about $7. You just drag it along the skin like that and you get those beautiful curls. If you don't have one, you can slowly cut the rind off and then just cut the part with the color. You'll have zest. We are going to use a little juice out of this, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it in half and set it aside. Make it for juicing. There you go. Alright. Pan is a little warm. Starting off with, I kind of cubed up the butter a little bit so it melts a little faster. This is a butter sauce, so there's a ton of butter in it. Alright, don't be alarmed with the amount of butter. As that melts, alright, butter's almost melted. I'm going to add the garlic slices. As they toast, we're going to add the shallots. And you wonder what a shallot is. A shallot is in the onion family. So it looks kind of like a red onion, but much smaller. Has a really nice, sweet, intense taste to it. You could substitute a finely chopped red onion, but these are readily available at every grocery store out there. Gonna let that toast a second. Alright, now that the garlic is toasted, we're gonna add our lemon zest and we're gonna add some shrimp. Now remember, shrimp cooks extremely fast. We're not gonna add all of these. Six should do just fine. Give that a little toss in the butter. That shrimp's opening up beautifully. Now, think about shrimp. When you're cooking shrimp, you don't need to cook it till it's hard and white. If you've done that, you've already overcooked your shrimp. So you really don't want it to cook like that. You know, that looks great on TV, but what you would consider barely cooked is really where you want it to be. That's where you get that succulent taste. You do not get that taste, or any flavor really, except for rubber, when it's overcooked like that. Alright, going to toss in the parsley. Squeeze a fresh lemon juice. We're going to toss in our pasta. Really is a quick dish to make. Give it a couple tosses. There we go. Let that come together in the sauce. Let the pasta let it cook just a bit. And you remember those jarred tomatoes? I still got a couple of them. I'm going to toss those in for some garnish. Give it a little color that way. Alright, I'm going to put a little white pepper on top. A couple of pinches of salt. Give it a toss and we'll plate this. Simple shrimp scampi. Something nice. Alright, and there you go. Simple shrimp scampi. Looks fantastic, smells amazing. We'll see you in a little while. Feed your brother. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell for the ding ding ding. I'd love to see some comments. There are a couple of people you already have.